another set here. Looks like these are also Lakeland-Larsens. Judging by the smell of hydro fluid, these are hydraulic elevators. Looks like it's going to be this one. Looks like these were Dover. Well, no, actually, they did paint. Lakeland-Larsen did paint their innards blue, so Lakeland-Larsen. They always make good elevators. They make some solid ones. Oh, we're already going up. Well, it smells like hydro fluid, but that's not. I actually kind of like the smell. I don't know if this is like a new building or what. I like the cabs. These are nice cabs. There's your panel. These are high. These are the M elevators, I think? M or the C? I don't know.